here is another example, and in this example we are to solve for x in 9 raised to power x equals 27. Solution: 9 raised to power x equals 27. Now here 9 can be expressed as 3 times 3, which in index sum gives us 3 raised to the power of 2. So we have 3 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power x, 9 raised to the power x equals 27. Also can be expressed in form of 3, 27. That gives us 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 3. Now here we simplify this, and simplify this we multiply the powers. That is, we have 3 raised to the power 2 times x equals 3 raised to the power 3. So here we have 3 raised to the power 2x equals 3 raised to the power 3. Now here the base can cancel out, that is, we equate the powers. So equate the powers. Since they are having the same base, we have 2x equals 3. And to find x here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 2 goes here, 1. 2 goes here, 1. So we are left with x here. X equals 3 over 2. And that gives us our answer for x. Thank you.